Even though I came from a family of actors, itinuturing ko pa rin ang sarili ko bilang homegrown talent ng GMA. Una ko appearance sa GMA, isang co-host sa isang live Sunday musical variety show na SOP. And then I did a couple of appearances, mga recurring roles sa mga iba't ibang soap ng GMA. Finally, nabigyan ako ng break when I played Desmond ng Munting Heredera. Ito ako nagkaroon ng napakagandang opportunity para ipakita ang range of acting skills na develop ko all these years. Which earned me, of course, my very first Best Supporting Actor nomination sa Asian TV Award. And then I was given my first lead role in Broken Vow, followed by the remake of Sana Ikaw Na Nga, and The Successful Mundo Mo'y Akin, na lalong naghasa sa akin bilang isang serious actor. Sabi nga nila, kung may tiyaga, may nilaga. With enough talent and unwavering support of your network, in my case, GMA, you can make it in this movie. Ako po si Gabby Eigenman, proud to be Kapuso.